Oof. It's like coming on the side, dude. That looks freaking scary. Why are they having this fair going on? They should not be doing that. It's like coming right. It's like right over here. That's a little too close. It's clear over there. I don't know why. It's like an isolated storm. Just sitting here. Oh, you got it. Woo! Got it. It's gonna freaking pour. Oh man, yo, the lighting's getting too close, man, too close. Our lighting is getting very, very close. It's coming right at us. That lighting is getting way too close. It's gonna come right over here. Comes the rain. Shit, dude. Yeah, it looks like this could be a monster. Oh, wow. It's gonna go, man. It's like stinks right here in front of me. Oof. Oh yeah, got it. Oh, dude, man, it looks like a funnel. Looks like a funnel cloud. Shit. Oh, got it. Oh, wow. Oh. Shit, man. It's coming too close, man. That's getting too close, too close. Oh, shit. Oh, yeah. Oh, my. Oh, man. Here comes the eye of the storm. Looks like a tornado. Dude, that is a tornado. See the funnel, holy shit. That's a tornado. That is a tornado, holy crap. That is a tornado. It's like right here, dude. You gotta be careful. This is getting too close. It's like right here. Oh shit! I got that one. Oh man. Well, that's a tornado. Holy crap. It looks like a funnel. Oh my god, that is a funnel. Yo, I wouldn't do that. That is a funnel cloud right in front of me. That is a funnel cloud right over there. Oof, look at that. Guys should go in the store. Holy crap. That is a funnel cloud. That is a funnel. Fucking rain, look at the cloud, it's spinning. Oh my god, that's a tornado. Dude, go in the store! It's gonna come right at me. We're just seeing a funnel cloud right in front of me. You guys can go in the store if you want. This storm's a monster. Alright, this storm's getting way too close. They're gonna get struck. It's like right over here. Oh my god, that's a tornado. Oh shit! Alright, this storm's getting too close. Oh, damn it, I missed it. All the lightning's everywhere. Damn it. Oh, I got it! Yeah! This is probably one of those violent storms I've ever seen in a long time. Oh, I got it. Oh, man. You guys can go in the store if you want. Oh, man. Jesus Christ.
They're like a huge puddle for Sienna. Right.
Oh. Oh, God. Offer to tell them to go in the store and they don't listen. You guys can come in the store if you want.
Right there, Michael, right there, right there. Hold it there.
This is getting too close. Too close, too close, too close. Oh, man. Why don't they go in the store? I'm telling these people they can come in. They're not heeding the warnings. Oh shit! That's gonna be loud. Yeah, oh man, I got that. Jesus Christ! Everyone's screaming right now. Oh man! I've never seen this before. No, that's getting too close, man. Alright, I'm going inside. That store's getting way too close. Oh, dang. Holy crap, I've never seen this before. Wow, that's incredible. They're doing the wrong thing, man. Oh, I think it's starting to hail. Oh, shit. That hit something. Shit, dude, it's starting to hail. Oh, that's it. I'm going in. I'm going in. That's it. That's it. I'm done. Oh my God. Oh man. Look at the wind, man. Look at the wind. There's a tornado coming. Oh man, that's hail. That is hail. It's gonna come to a strike. Lightning's gonna strike right there. Oh shit! I have never seen a storm like this in many, many, many months. Holy crap! Look at that! Look at the rain! Oh man! Horizontal rain, that's not good. Lightning cracks gonna come right there. Oh, whoa. Alright, that's it. That's it. I'm going inside. Wow. Holy shit. Horizontal rain. Definitely a tornado touching down here somewhere. It's gonna come right at us. Oh shit. It's an isolated storm, man. It just formed right over us. It's just staying here. It's not going anywhere. Look at the rain, man. Look at the floods. Everything's flooding. There's definitely a funnel cloud I saw, man. This storm is not going anywhere yet. Oh shit. Wow. I can't even see in front of me. Oh my god, that's it. I'm going in. Oh shit, dude, you feel that? The storm is sucking up the air, dude. That's not good. Oh man, oh boy. This is probably one of the most craziest storms I've seen. Oh yeah! Got that one. It's coming right at us. That's coming right at us, dude. I'm not going anywhere. This is definitely going to be a tornado. Oh, we got it. It's coming right. Oh, shit. All right, that's it. I'm going in. The lighting's getting way too close, dude. Oh man, here comes. I've never seen anything like this. Oh! What the fuck? Oh man! There'll be a crack of lightning right over there. 3, 2, 1, boom. It's a powerful thunderstorm. Definitely tornadic right now. I know there's a tornado coming. Oh shit. I can't even bring out the dumpsters. Let's send this to the Weather Channel. Just look at everyone's going nuts here, man. Streets are flooded. I have a feeling lightning's gonna strike right over here. Oh, I was right. I have a feeling lightning's gonna strike over here. I have a gut feeling.